slime. And I have one of my sisters here gonna make some slime with me. And I have my mom behind the camera.
Hi.
And then my dad's gonna help us while we make some slime. So my mom will record us making some slime. See that the slime going in here and a bowl and spoon. Mommy, now record. Now, okay, now Daddy.